friends, today we are going to discuss how to create the ledger, how to display the ledger, how to alter the ledger and how to delete the ledgers. Here the step we are going to be applied for creating the ledger. Go for the gateway of Tally, click on accounts info. The accounts info dialog box will get into appear. Click on ledgers option. It will display the ledgers dialog box. If you would like to create the ledger individually one by one, use the single ledger option. If you would like to create more than one ledger simultaneously within a single group of account, use the multiple ledgers option. Here click on create button. The ledger creation screen will get into appear. Here enter the name of ledger. Now I will enter the name of ledger is rent account. Under, that is in which group the rent account will created. So here the rent account will come under the indirect expenses group. Here these are a sum of accounting groups. Select indirect expenses. Type of ledger. Here if you would like to write the rounding the values, use the invoice rounding. If you don't want round the value, use the not applicable. Suppose you use invoice rounding, that will ask you to rounding method, that is a normal rounding or down one value round limit or upward one round limit. So I will select normal rounding with one value. Then here if you click on yes option, the rent ledger will get into created. See, I will click on yes option. The rent ledger is created. Now again I will going to create one more ledger along with some configuration settings. Now I will create one more, that is a stationery account. Stationery account. Now I would like to enter the alias for the ledger name. Present it appear the name of ledger, that is a stationery account. Along with it I would like to enter the alias. For that the setting is available. Click on F12 key or on configuration button. It will display the ledger configuration. Here provide aliases along with names. Set it as a yes. Set it as a yes. Now it will available you to alias to enter the nickname of the account. I will write stationery STN. I will write shortcut STN account. Right. Now again along with it I would like to write the ledger name with other language. Again configuration is available. Provide a language aliases for name. Here set it as a yes. If you set it as a yes, that available you to create the ledger with the multiple language. Here present English language, name and alias are exist. If you would like to write the ledger name and alias with other language, now press the enter key. That display the list of ledgers. Now I will select Kannada. I will select Kannada. Now name of ledger. Here is what stationery account. The same if you would like to write, here you have to write the stationery. Stationery khate. Right. Along with alias you have to write the aliases, that is what nicknames. Here you may write the nickname. You have to write the nickname. you have to write the nickname. Like this, that is available you to enter the name of ledger with other languages. The configuration is available. Then again, along with it, now here you have entered with other languages. Again, if you would like to write the name and aliases in the other language, select the language and enter the same process. If you don't want, click on end of list. Now, as usual, you have to get into select the group, that is indirect expenses. Now again, configuration, go for the configuration. Again, if you would like to write the advanced information in masters, that means if you would like to enter the inventory information regarding the ledger, set it as a yes. If you set it as a yes, the inventory values are affected. If you would like to write the inventories, number of units, rate of unit and total amount, if you would like to write the details regarding the inventories part, set it as a yes. Then here the type of ledger, not applicable, I have selected not applicable. The same invoice rounding which I was explained. Now again onto the configuration that is available you to set the note for ledger account. For what purpose you are creating the ledger and what it contains. If you would like to write the note, just you have to set it as a yes. The note field is available you to enter the detail. See here in this you have to enter the note detail regarding the ledger. Stationery, what it contains, like it contains with what, pen, pencil, staple. Like this you have to write the note regarding the ledger, what it would be contains. The note option is available. Suppose if you would like to write the description regarding the stationery, again configuration is available. Here in this, add a description for ledger account. Here set it as a yes. Set it as a yes. Again it display the description field. Here in this description field, you have to enter the description. Here regarding the stationery, you have to enter the description of the account. Here you may get into enter like all small expenses, like you have to write the descriptions, right? Then again, if you would like to write the details, mailing details of the account, that configuration is available. Here in this option, provide addresses for ledger account, set it as a yes. Set it as a yes. See, here it will ask you to enter the mailing details. Sometime when we are going to create the ledger, we need to enter the mailing details, because if you would like to create the personal accounts, the personal account need to be entered the mailing details of sundry debtors or the sundry creditors or the proprietor details. Such a time we need to write and enter the mailing details of the account. But now stationery is not the personal account, it not available you to enter the name and addresses. So here it is not enter the name of the account directly, that goes for what, the bank details regarding the stationery payments. So to know about this mailing details, again I will going to create one more account, that personal account. I will create Shankar account. Shankar account. I don't want to write any description I notes. Here I will write the sundry debtor. In the group I will select sundry debtor. Maintain bill by bill. See here in this, if you would like, he is a debtor. If he is a regular customer, if he purchase the material regularly, bills are deferred, so you need to set yes option. Then here we need to enter the default credit period, that may be 15 days or 20 days, you have to enter. Then check for credit days during the voucher entry. Here if you already exist, you have to enter the number of days already over, just you have to enter here. If there is no, just you have to write it the no option. See, now it will ask you to enter the mailing details because the configuration setting, that is yes option. Present, provide addresses for ledger account, that is a yes option. So here in this, that is available you to enter the mailing details. Here Shankar account, enter the name of Shankar account from where the addresses you need to be entered regarding the correspondence. Now here I will enter Bangalore, country, enter the state, enter the pin code. Just for an example, I will write the pin code. Then again, regarding the Shankar, if he going to pay the money, we need to enter his banking details. Set it as a yes. If you write the set it as yes banking details, that will ask you to the kind of transaction. Here the transaction type is available, list of transactions, whether you are going to receive the money from Shankar in the form of check, e-fund transfer system, or any other form. If you would like to receive the money through over the check, just select the check, press the enter key. Then here in the check that will cross checking for account payee, that will automatically took place. So here the setting is available. Then again the PAN card or IT number of a Shankar account, because he is also one of a businessman. Commonly he has the business account. So here enter the the PAN numbers, right? So here that will available you to enter the PAN number. So after entering it, again configuration is available. Here in this we was just enter the addresses of ledger, but we can't enter the contact details. If you would like to enter the contact details, here provide contact details, set it as a yes. It will available with the mobile number, fax number and all. See here, now it will ask you to enter the contact person. The contact person is what? Shankar. Then his phone number, enter the phone number. Mobile number, if there is any mobile number, you have to enter the mobile number of that particular person. His Shankar mobile number. Fax number, enter the fax numbers. Enter the fax number. Then email addresses. Here you have to enter the email address of a Ramesh, of a Shankar, Shankar. Here I will write the email address, that is shankar at gmail.com. If there is any CC, you enter the CC. Website, if you had the website, write the website. And again, if you would like to write the bank details, here set it as a yes. As well earlier I was shown, set it as a yes, and here enter the type of transactions. Here I have entered the PAN, that is it must be contained with what 5 alphabets. For example I have shown it, so it will showing the error, isn't it? So just I will change the PAN number. Yes, accept, yes. If you click on yes, the account is getting to create. Here that created with the account. Like this we can create the number of ledgers. So next option here in this, display the ledgers. Display the ledger in the sense the list of ledger which we have created, we are going to be display individually or the multiple ledgers simultaneously. For that, just you have to click on display option. See here in this I have clicked on display, that display the number of ledgers: cash, profit and loss account, rent account, Shankar account, stationery. See, in the list of ledger that commonly display with the ledger name and alias name. I have created stationery account, its nickname STN account, stationary khate. See, these four all are one ledger, so it will be get into confuse to the readers. So commonly we not going to create the aliases for the ledgers. Suppose you would like to do create with the aliases, you may get into create the ledger, but commonly we are not going to create with the aliases. I have already created Shankar account, rent account, but cash and profit and loss account are the default ledger. They are created automatically. They are created inbuilt ledgers, so we not need to create the ledgers. So like this, if you would like to display now with what the stationary account, just you have to click on alias or the name of a ledger, that will get into open. Just I'll click on alias, that will get into open with what stationary account. So like this, we are going to display the ledger. The individual ledger stationary account is get into displayed. So the display option we are going to use for displaying the ledgers. And one more option is what alter the ledgers. Alter in the sense making manipulations or changes the ledger which we have created. The step is click on alter option, that display the list of ledgers. Here in this, select the ledger which you want to alter. Now here that contain four names, I need to alter the stationary account. Select it and press the enter key. The ledger alteration screen get into displayed. Now I would like to change the aliases. I would like to remove the aliases. End of list. I want only the name. I will go for the configuration. Here I will set no option. I don't want the other languages. Just I have entered with what stationary account. End of list. So here like this we are going to do the alterations. I don't want the note, the configuration is available, just you have to get into remove. Note removed. Or if you don't want the description, that is also get into removed easily. Or like here the description of the ledger, I will set it as a no option. Just I want the stationary account, indirect expenses, and I don't want the inventory values, set it as a no, not applicable, then accept, yes. See, now it will left out all the aliases. Here it display only the stationary account. Like this we are going to do the alteration into the ledgers. Then how to create the multiple ledgers simultaneously. For example, I would like to create the ledgers indirect expenses in the group. Just a simple step we are going to be apply multiple ledger, click on create button. Here under group, just you need to select the name of account group. Here I will select indirect expenses. In the name of ledger you have to enter the number of ledger account. For example, discount allowed. Discount allowed account. Then carriage outward. Carriage outward account. See, that are creating multiple ledgers. In the indirect expenses we are going to create the number of ledgers, so discount account, carriage outward account, then edit P account. Like this you have to create the number of ledgers. If you click on S, now that created with 3 more ledgers. I will click on S option. If you click on display, that display the list of ledgers. See, here carriage outward account, edit P account, discount allowed account, they are also get into created into the single screen using the option multiple ledgers. That available you to create the multiple ledgers simultaneously. If you would like to display all the ledgers, use the display option, the list of group is get into display. Now in the indirect expenses I have created the ledgers rent account, discount allowed. So all the ledger list will be get into appear. See, earlier in the multiple ledger I was created a discount account, carriage outward and edit P. Rent account and stationery account I was created individually under the group indirect expenses. But now it display all the ledgers onto the single screen by using with what display option from multiple ledgers. So like this we can display the multiple ledgers simultaneously. Then now how to delete the ledgers? Here alter is also available. If you would like to do the alteration, the same process. Select the alter in the list of group, select the name of the ledger group, then here you have to do the changes. Here edit P, instead of edit P you may get into change with what edit expenses, that is available you to make a changes. Edit expenses available you to change. Accept, yes. If you click on display, that change with a list of ledger, edit expenses, carriage outward, allowed, discount allowed, rent account, Shankar account and stationaries. Like this we can create, alter and display the ledgers. Suppose you would like to delete the ledger, the simple step is that we need to go on alteration mode. Select alter option. Now I would like to delete the ledger stationery account. Just select stationery, press the enter key. The ledger alteration screen will get into appear. Here in this I would like to deleting it. Just use the shortcut key Alt plus D. If you click on Alt plus D, the delete dialog box will get into appear. If you click on S option, the ledger will get into delete. See, that removed with the stationery account. Like this we can create the ledger, display the ledger, alter the ledger and delete the ledger. One thing keep in mind, if you would like to delete the ledger does not contain the voucher entries. If it contain voucher entry, first we need to delete the voucher entry, then we need to delete the ledgers. So these common steps we are going to be applied for the ledger creation, alteration and deletion.